Folks, listen up and listen here. I'm gonna tell you once and only once. We're going duck hunting in North Dakota.
Oh, fuck yeah, dude. Let's fucking go, dude.
A whole lot of gaddies. We're going duck hunting in North Dakota.
It's not gonna be once, it's gonna say all weekend long.
Yeah, yeah. Can I get a hell yeah? Hell yeah! Can I get a hell yeah? Hell yeah! All right, going to North Dakota. We're going to Jamestown. We're going duck hunting, goose hunting, maybe a little pheasant, maybe a little something, maybe a little broad, maybe a little beer. I don't know what I'm saying, but we're going with my sister and her boyfriend, and it's a fucking 8-hour drive. We just got done with work. It is 5:08 currently, 5:09 right now on the dot. So we're gonna fucking drive there, and we'll meet you guys there when we're probably dead in a ditch because it's fucking gonna be so late by the time we get there. But it's gonna be fun. Stay tuned, folks. We're gonna be living it up in North Dakota. Peace,
Folks, we made it. It is not super early, but we're at my sister's place. We're gonna go hunting soon, but it was a long night. Couple of beverages here and there with this little pup, little Ash Monk. You guys remember Ash Monk? But we're gonna go do a little road hunting, jump shoot, see what happens. Oh, monkey.
It's a little monkey. It's a little monkey. Oh, she's cheesing for the cam. You little monk. He's a little monk. He's a little monk. Monkey!
No, I just kind of shit my pants because I thought like a bug flew.
Monkey?
Most divers taste like shit.
What?
Most divers taste like shit.
They marinate them, they're not bad.
Monkey! Lock and load.
Steak.
Oh, two. Coming in. Fuck. Hey, behind us. Look it. No. You got that one. Wait, which one are you shooting? I'll shoot the one on the left. Damn, I suck. I wonder where that one landed that you got. Huh? Oh, fuck. Oh, god damn it. Fucking goddamn piece of shit gun. Oh my god. Fucking A. What up? We got a coot!
Okay, yeah. Find the bird. Find the bird. Good girl.
Good girl! Oh, fucking green wing, baby! Hell yeah! Good girl! Good girl. Dude! Hold the bill. Hold it.
Dash, no, the bird.
Hold the. Yeah, look at that, dude. Look at that.
Steak, come here.
Fucking awesome, dude. Yeah, dude. Dude, let's do the old. Look at the breasts. You didn't touch them at all.
Blue wings are, a lot of times they're gone now. Green wings are actually pretty hardy ducks. Like, they'll stay pretty late. Once you have to control the ground. I don't know why they're like, I think they're smaller than a blue wing yet.
Yeah, but mice are a little bit bigger than
Well,
I know, with that green head on it.
Yeah.
I like that.
I like green wings.
Huh.
I didn't think it was a green one. I didn't think it was a teal.
I thought it was just a hen. There's one right here. Over here.
My fucking gun jammed. Ah, fuck. Fucking double feed, dude.
There's quite a few ducks though.
Yeah, they just like went straight up in the air, and I'm like, it's like a fucking video game, dude. Couldn't fucking hit it because there's nothing to fucking pull the trigger on.
Hey.
Shoveler. Here, 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 here. Good girl. Oh, shove. God damn, those things are goofy looking. Oh, never mind. They do have green on. Oh. I didn't know they had green on them like that. Easton got a nice little shove. And another green wing that he just fucking blew its head off almost. Great fucking shot. God damn it, it jammed again. Fuck. Literally had a... Oh, god damn it, dude. I just about fucking got that one. Yeah, I nuked that one. But there was another one in the air. And I literally had a fucking bead on it and my fucking shell jammed. Should I nuke it again or just wait?
No, I should be.
Alright. Oh, is that a blue wing? Oh. Oh, fuck yeah, dude. Let's fucking go, dude. I would've, oh man. I would've got that fucking duck. That'd probably been the biggest Hail Mary shot of my life. Dude, it was like halfway across the pond and I was like over here fucking shooting at it.
BB up its ass.
Yeah, yeah, literally. Fucking teals, baby.
My tank. Well,
Oh, you got that. Didn't you get this one?
I think so.
Yeah.
First I thought you missed the first one. I didn't see that one.
I was like at the corner, like it's just fucking retarded. It's standing there.
All of a sudden I see a white belly flop. I'm like, oh, you got one.
Yeah.
Yeah, come here.
You want to pick those up? Please. Thanks. Here.
Fuck, dude. The mallards were closer than I thought. And all of a sudden, because it shot at the first couple, then the mallards and the feather ducks got up. I thought they'd get up right away. Like the mallard was within range of the one that second one I shot.
Yeah. I said fucking severe gun issues. We literally have a single shot
Should we go back and should we fix it?
and then come back out.
No, for tomorrow more so. We really only have about an hour until it's daylight.
We got
We literally can just get one more.
pilots, at least two right
Huh? Oh, there's a 3-pack. Drive around, find one fucking thing, and I'll shoot my single shot. Semi-automatic. No, I like to bitch. I like to complain a lot about all the shit that I own that's a piece of shit. Oh wait, why don't you use this? Nah, I like my piece of shit, alright? Very much so. God, that's the worst when you literally have like a video game shot. Like, I shot the first one straight up in the air. I'm like, God! Look down, the shell's just like halfway in the fucking chamber. God damn it, dude. I should have brought the CLP and the fucking shotgun cleaner and just shoved the little nostril thing in the back and just went shh. Just nuke it. My gun's jammed. Autumn's gonna get a kick out of that tomorrow. Corn maze strat. That's good enough. Or do you think you gotta go more?
I think when we get closer, we could go in one more.
Yeah. Yeah, but we might have to do farther down, maybe. What? I'm not skinny as your pumps. Well. Dude, there's still some on the fucking water, dude.
That's what I'm saying. Here, we got 50.
What?
Thank God. Hey, you guys want to watch these? I'm gonna go ahead and I saw they were all gabrels, so that's fine. They're not. I was making sure they weren't pintails. Dude, there's at least fucking 9. 7. Yeah, I'll be right back. Nice shoot. That was fucking. Did you guys all get shots in?
I got 2 shots. I just fucking sprayed, dude.
Drop 2.
Dude, that first one we fucking annihilated.
Yeah, dude.
Hell yeah.
Should I fucking shoot that one that's sitting there like that? Or is it just floating like that?
We got 1 in the weeds, 2, 3, 4, 5,
This
6,
one.
7.
Should I shoot that one? Or just let it be?
It's fine.
Dude, fucking jammed again on the last fucking
I
shot.
did too.
Dude, we've been fucking crawling through just... I'm fucking shaking,
I
dude.
lost all my fucking shells.
Yeah, I wouldn't doubt it.
I had them
I didn't think they were that fucking close because I saw those and he was like, oh, there's a shitload like fucking right here. And I was like, no fucking way.
I'm like, I know there's something.
2, 4, 6, yeah, 7. Oh, I can't see that one. Yeah, dude, I'm shaking. Like I'm fucking shaking, dude. Dude, I definitely shot.
I got 3. I got 2.
Well, I could have shot 2 with one fucking shot. I shot twice and that was it, and then I fucking got another one and finished that fucking last one. I shoot with fucking both my eyes open, so like literally I just put the fucking pin on one's head and just fire and start looking at the next one. Should I hit it?
Can't stop.
I'll just kind of, I think its wing is obliterated. Its wings, it's gonna be kind of annoying though for the pup. Boys, we just jump shot some ducks. We got a decent amount. We'll probably show you guys with the big camera. Thank God I have enough fucking battery left on this thing, because holy shit, that was sick. I'm fucking ecstatic. I got a huge headache, my nose hurts. Oh man, this is insane. But stay tuned. Look at the pup getting the duck. That's awesome. We got Big E. Big E. Fuck yeah, dude. The homes. We got it done.
Done.
Fuck yeah, dude. We got her done. Look at this. Oh yeah. That's 2. We got a decent amount more. Beautiful. What are these? Gadwalls.
Good girl.
Got some gaddies. I think most of these are.
They're all gadwalls.
They're all gadwalls.
Come on, Ash. Oh my God.
Yeah.
Come on, Tank.
Come on, Tank. Little pup.
Good girl. Hold.
Good
Hold.
girl. Hey, good pup. Here you go, pup. Here you go, pup.
All right, come here, guys. We got like 5 more probably. Come here. Heel. Hey. Come here. Heel. I see at least 3.
There's one up by the weeds.
Yeah. We should almost get. Can you grab a set of waders? You can grab mine too. I'll put a set on and grab them. Sit. Hey. Sit. Sit. Mark. Dead bird. Dead bird. Ash, touch it up.
I don't think you guys are gonna be able to hear me at all, but you guys saw we freaking army crawled all the way. We went through corn, crawled through that, and then army crawled like probably, I don't know, 50 yards of like army crawling. It was rough, man. It was rough. But look at this pup. You got a pup. Little pup. But yeah, dude, it's fucking, it's nice. Woo!
Thank you. Here. Sit. Sit.
We got Bryce
Sit.
and the pups.
Stay. Stay.
And
Stay.
our ducks.
Sit. Stay. Stay.
Alright, we're just doing a little video right now. Look at this lineup. Easton's cooking for me to get some photos.
Fucking
Whole lot of
poppers.
gaddies.
Poppers are on the menu, man.
Pintail, green wings, 1 shoveler. What can you say? What can you say, Holmes?
Fucking can't do much better for a first day in North Dakota. Pretty
Fuck
happy
yeah.
with it.
First day, baby. Look at that spread. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. So ecstatic. It's good. It's a phenomenal trip. I'm running on 2 hours of sleep right now, and we ate some McDonald's and I'm just hyped. And now we got these. I'm just shitting my pants right now. So I'm gonna pop a couple photos We still have some more that we can get, so see you guys with some more, maybe. Huh? I got it. All right, folks, it's just me on a solo mission to get one bird. If we can manage it. All I need is one more to limit out for today. I'm trying to remember where I need to go now. Oh my god, I'm about to go start cramping. Oh fuck. Shit. Oh my god, I could have just fucking shot so many more. I think those are teal. Yeah, I think those are teal. We gotta go. Here. Hey, Ash.
Here. We're flying on numbers over here. See?
I shot once, it got two.
You see him? No, right down there. Ash, down there. Right there. No, you fucker. See him?
I shot two on accident.
I just so.
Dude, they literally were like this, and I was just like, boom, and I just see two of them flop, and I'm like, oh god.
Ash, here.
What?
Here.
No. No way.
What?
Oh, I thought I fucking hit it. I was like, huh?
Here.
Is that teal?
Ash, here. Hey.
Yeah, let's go, man. Another hen. I think they're both hens. That was probably the easiest one. I saw all those and I literally just walked up and hopped up and they were like,
Here, tank.
dude, if we would have came here before we had the limit,
Here.
we would have limited out on teal right here because all of them literally got up and were just floating in the fucking air, dude. I was like, all right. Alright. Let's hit this too. And my gun cycled.
Hey, you need a second shot.